Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be doing an Apres set on my dominant hand using my non-dominant hand to apply the set. So let's get started. So I already picked out my sizes and I'm just showing you that this size 2, it's a bit too small for my finger, for my thumb, but the size 1 is just way too big, so I have to use this one, and there's no point me filing down the size 1. So when you pick out your sizes, you're going to file down the cuticle as I'm doing here to make sure it is closely flush to your natural nail. If not, you will be doing some extra filing, as you will see me do later on. Okay, here I'm just showing you how I set my nails on my nail stand when I'm done filing. I turn them upside down and I wipe the insides of them out, and that's because you actually have to prep the inside of the nail. So I'm going to keep prepping the cuticle area of the rest of the nails. Okay, nail prep time. So I'm pushing back all of my cuticles very carefully with the cuticle pusher. Then I'm going to take my e-file and use my cuticle clean bit by Pana to clean around my cuticles. Okay, next I am using a sanding band to get rid of the shine off my natural nails and to make sure I get up the rest of the cuticle bit that I probably missed with the e-file. This is to make sure that I won't have any lifting later on. So once I do this, I'm going to come behind all this with a hand file and shape my nails the way I want them to look. Now I'm not getting rid of the length of my natural nails because I didn't feel like it this time. But what you see me doing here, I have 3 nails that grow straight down. My index finger, my middle finger, and my ring finger. So I have to file the sides of the nails up so that it looks straight. Okay, the next clip you're gonna see afterwards is when I have finished prepping with the Apres stuff and everything. I completely forgot to hit record when I did that. So I'll explain rather quickly. So they have a dehydrator, and then they have a primer. I put 2 coats of their primer on, and then I put a small thin layer of their Extend Gel, which is a gold bottle you will see later on. The Extend Gel is also used as the base coat, and you cure it for 60 seconds, like I have done here. Then you get your gel tips. By the way, they have this Gel-X prep solution. It's pretty much like primer that you scrub into the nail that makes it tacky so you don't have to file the inside of the nail. So I'm gonna take this Extend Gel from the bottle. I'm going to paint a little bit of the gel inside of the nail, and then I'm going to leave a little bit of excess gel at the cuticle area or the end. Now I've only been using gel nails or gel tips for a year. I'm not the best at it, but I'm certainly getting better, and I usually have gel seatbelt every once in a while. Also, I'm using this Apres lamp because the setup that I have now, I'm nowhere near an outlet, so I can't use my Kara Sky lamp, but here I am. You're going to see me struggle. But here I am just pushing gel in there, and you can see me just trying my best to make sure no gel seeps out. But I'll be doing this for the rest of my nails. Once again, I'm putting the Extend Gel into the nail, and I'm leaving just a little bit toward the end so I can slide it on my cuticles and cure it. And once I'm done doing this to all 5 nails, I will be curing in the lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, my 60 seconds are up, and this is what the nails look like. Fresh out the lamp, fresh application. Not too shabby. I have like 1 crooked nail as usual, but you know, my nail beds are crooked, so it's fine. Okay, I already wiped off my nails. I already wiped off the sticky layer underneath. I started hand filing. Once again, forgot to press record. So I'm taking my hand file, and I'm like making sure nothing got on my skin or my cuticles. Like I'm pushing them back, I'm pulling them back to make sure, and I'm using my hand file to shape these nails. I mean, you can use them the way that they are coming out of the box, but I like to shape them a little better. I like a tapered square, not such a wide square. And for those who don't know, I am right-handed. However, I can only hand file with my left hand. I know it's weird, and I can't e-file worth nothing with my left hand, so I'm trying. So here I'm showing you that I put the tip a little too far back, and you're going to see that white line around my ring finger. That's because I did not flush out the cuticle like I was supposed to when I was prepping the tip. So I'm prepping the tip, and once I prep the tip, I have to use the e-file to file it down so it becomes flush with my natural nail. Alrighty, so I'm finished filing and I'm about to clean my nails off using Young Nail Swipe and a manicure brush. I am making sure I scrub on top and underneath my nails so I do not get any dust in my polish. Starting off with Protein Bond. This is what I use before applying polish to acrylic, gel, natural nails, whatever. If you want your polishes to stay on, this is what you need. This primer right here. So I'm mostly putting it around the cuticles and the edges and filling it in, I guess, maybe when I can. And I'm gonna put on 2 coats. Let that dry. The first color I'm going to use is by Madame Glam. It is called Hero Turquoise. And I'm going to be applying this to my thumb and my middle finger. Y'all are about to watch some magic here. Now, remember I said I'm using my non-dominant hand, my left hand? I have struggled for so long putting polish on my right hand because I just don't have the dexterity to do it yet with my left hand. I'm working on it though. So I've been practicing, right? And then I've watched this YouTuber, Tabitha Scott Nails. Her polish application when she does people's nails is beautiful. And I noticed she was like putting polish toward the tip, and then when she got to the cuticle area, she would like press down the brush to make the bristles spread out, and she would scrub closer and closer to the nail like I'm about to do here. And that's how she would get her cuticle application area to look so good without having to use a brush to get back there. So I decided to try it, and oh my god, look at it. It is so beautiful. It's just so pretty. So I'm continue to polish my thumb and my index finger, and not index finger, my middle finger. And then we'll move on to the next color. So I accidentally got gel polish on my finger, like I was trying, but it was a little mistake. So I just take an orange wood stick and just wipe it off and continue business as usual. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds and then apply a second coat to both fingers and cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. Next color I'm going to use is by iGel Beauty. This is their glow in the dark polish. It is called Blackberry Lavender. I'm applying 2 coats to my index finger and my pinky. I would have used a regular polish, but didn't have that color. Next color I'm going to be using is from Beetles Gel Polish. This is number 895, which is their black. This is the blackest gel polish that I own. I love it. I will forever buy it. And I only need 1 coat of this gel polish for this design. If I was painting all my nails black, I would use 2 coats, but because I'm doing something else, I only need 1. I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 90 seconds because it is black and I do not need bubbles. So here is the inspiration of the whole set. It is this polish right here by iGel Beauty. It is their Galaxy Flake in the color Vega. It's a beautiful flake gel. It has purples and teals and blues in it, and when you put it on black, it's just so pretty. So I used 2 coats of this and I cured in the lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, it is crystal time. I'm using Swarovski crystals. I love them. They're my favorite. I'm using Paradise Shine. What is it? Purple Velvet. I believe either it's aquamarine or blue zircon. I think it's blue zircon. But the sizes that I'm using are SS16, SS12, SS9, and I think the AB crystals are SS5s. I do not remember. I know, I'm terrible. I'm so sorry. So I kind of already have an idea of what crystal arrangement I'm going to do. Usually I would draw it out on a piece of paper or put it on the side. But you're going to see me use this Rhinestone nail glue. Well, that's not glue, it's actually gel. And I'm going to put a good amount where I want my crystals to go. And then I'm going to take a no wipe top coat and paint over that. I did not cure either one of these yet. I'm going to take my crystals and sink them into the gel. You want to make sure that when you sink them into the gel is actually surrounding the crystals and not just on one part. Otherwise, the crystals may pop off. So I put my crystals a little bit to the right on my thumb because I type a lot. And yeah, that's what I did. And they're just so pretty. But in hindsight, I probably should not have used that dark of a purple crystal. It's a little too dark for me. So I'm top coating all of my nails. And then I realized I did not use my little AB crystals. I was like, where can I put them? So I decided to put them on my middle finger. I used a big SS16 and then, oh, I forgot. I never said the name of the color there. It's Paradise Shine. Paradise Shine is the one that I forgot to list. I'm so sorry. I think I did. I don't remember. If I did, yeah. If I didn't, well, I just told you. So this is the last placement of crystals I'm going to be doing. I cured in the lamp for 60 seconds and this is what it looks like. I'm looking at my work and I realize I need to file. And my crystal placement's not that great, but it's my left hand. Give me a break. So I'm going to take a hand file and I'm going to make sure that I crispen up my edges because the top coat kind of rounded out the edges and I didn't like it. Okay, I did it and used swipes to scrub the dust off my hands. I'm going in with some cuticle oil and I'm going to put a lot there because some skin's missing. It's from hand washing, you know, COVID, baby. Gotta wash them hands. So I'm applying cuticle oil generously around my nails. I'm trying my best not to get it on my nail. By the way, as I do this voiceover, I don't have those crystals anymore. I filed them off. I had to. They were annoying me because I kept touching them and my little girl tried to eat them. So I was like, nope, no thank you. Had to take them off. So I accidentally got cuticle oil on my crystals and the actual top coat, so a little like kind of dulled the shine. So all you need to do is take some rubbing alcohol and go over your nails and go over the crystals and the shine will come right back. So here is the final look. I'm just using a flash to show you the flashiness of the crystals and the Galaxy Flake. I know I'm special. But this is the final look. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!